Hi everybody, this is Sir Char back around there with an unboxing with another recommendation. I just thought of a product that I've recommended to people for many years, but I don't think I've done a video about it. So just for men, beard coloring. I think I might have ordered the wrong color. This is dark brown. I think I usually go with medium brown because I actually don't follow the instructions. I put the coloring in my beard and then I fix my beard, fix my ears, or the hair around the ears. And so yeah, I have it in the beard longer than it should be. So my medium brown goes to dark brown. And this was dark brown. So this time I actually have to wash it out. Yeah, in 5 minutes. I usually have it in like 10 minutes or even more. So yeah, 5 minutes. And since I don't follow the instructions, the first 1, maybe 2 days, it looks a bit too dark. You have probably seen that in a couple of videos. But I don't mind my gray hair at all. I think it looks manly. I've had gray hair since I was like 14, 15. But the beard looks uneven with the gray spots. And I have, you can probably see it here, I have a scar here, which is only grows gray hair. So when that grows out, it looks like a Batman villain or something. And yeah, I like lines, I like the sturdy beard because I have a full beard and I don't want it to look uneven and that I don't take care of my beard. That's why I color it. I don't color it darker than my color is. I just want it to look as frilly as it is. That's it. So let me do it and show you what it looks like after. But once again, the way I do it, after it looks way too dark for a day or two. So I shouldn't do it like the day before or the same day as I'm going to do something special. Just to show you what you get in a package. So plastic gloves, tubes that you mix to get the color, this thing that you put the color in, and a brush. Easy. And oh yeah, one important thing that I think, since I'm doing this instruction, I only use like 1/5 of the tubes. So a full kit lasts for me 3 to 5 times. So I only take a very small bit from the tubes, mix it and put it in my beard. If you're going to completely color your whole beard, then you might need it all, but I only color the spots that I see is gray. I take the lines down, I take those 2 spots underneath here. I usually forget actually. That's it. Several times I've thought of asking someone to help me so I get it even and don't miss a spot. But I have never done that, and I don't complain. Maybe people think it looks weird, but nobody have complained to me. As usual, I forgot to put the timer on, and as usual, I don't use the gloves, so yeah. The finger's gonna look like that for a couple of days, a day or 2. And one of the reasons why I want help with this is because I can't see on that side. So this line is always not straight. But I should shower now. I've been doing this way more than 5 minutes. Not because I'm afraid to miss a spot. It's nice. comb my beard. I do that all the time. And I probably missed that spot underneath as usual. But yeah, let's take a shower soon. Definitely more than 10 minutes has passed. If I would ever take the time, I usually put on a song, and 2 songs is more or less over 5 minutes. So it's going to look too dark as usual, but I'm okay with that. I just thought of something. This video is going to be worst case scenario. This is not how you should do it. This is what it looks like if you do it wrong. So I took one color darker than I should. I had it in at least double the time as you should. And this is what it looks like. And I'm used to this, so that's why I'm going to show you what it looks like tomorrow. You should wear your gloves that you get with. I'm used to this. I don't dislike it. But this is as dark as it gets. Plus it's wet. But since I shower 2-3 times a day, I always use shampoo in my beard, yada yada yada. The color will use good tomorrow. And how long the color lasts, I have already thrown away the package, so I don't know what it says. But I go to the barber every 2nd week, so twice a month. And I have never noticed that the color fades off. It's only the hair that grows long, or the beard that grows out. So I would say that the color lasts at least a month, at least, even if you shower 2 or 3 times a day. So I really recommend it. Now it looks more even. Now I have the lines again. That's it. But I'll get back to you tomorrow. This is what it looks like after the 2nd shower. And I already think that it looks more normal, more natural. It gets a bit dry, maybe because I had the coloring in for at least twice as long as you should. So you should probably use beard oil or something. I'm going to do that today. You should try it. I actually very rarely use beard oil, maybe 3 times a year or something. But you should do that. This is what it looks like with some beard oil in it. And now with the beard oil, I see that I missed some spots. I should maybe just redo it because it's so simple, but I don't think I will care. I'll see. But yeah, with beard oil, I think it looks really good. Much better than without the coloring. And I don't mind at all, or I don't care at all, that I have gray hair and more or less black beard. Maybe it looks weird, but I'm fine with it. So, fix my hair, fix my beard. I don't like when the beard is shiny, that's why I don't use beard oil, but it's healthier for your beard. So, fix my hair with some gel that will be ruined in a couple of seconds if I drive a drop top. Fix my beard. As I said, I don't like it when the beard looks shiny, but you should use beard oil from time to time, even if you color your beard or not. And I like this look. It makes me look healthier, happier, makes me look better. So I highly recommend you coloring your beard. I've recommended it to people for many years, and very few have taken my advice. And there are probably a bunch of other products for coloring your beard, but this one just for men is cheap. I can buy it everywhere, anywhere. It's easy to use, so I really recommend this one, at least to give it a try once. That's it. I think this is it for this video. If you have any questions, let me know, or I'll see you in the next video, or you will see me in the next video.